Now wait it.
Now Mr. Sak can lock salary there.
Power government and salon. Now wait till they happen. No. Since when I take power, every day just they go from back to work. When I go kill you. Now I go back and go now we had. When I go kill you. Now I go back and go now we had.
Love the sweet man. Man, just the sack can lock salary.
So wait, you mean when they sack the sack and not tap the
They still lock salary.
Then call we. Initially, we don't submit with BBAN number and repayment requirement to them. So then call we till they say that they can't do table payment because of 1 or 2 errors with the notice. So we come since this morning, we wait for the finance team for can pay. We don't ask since this morning, that is noon they come. When they come, they say that they can commence payment, we make line. We make this line now to the greatest surprise that then tell we say now 200,000 they can pay me. What the initial agreement will be 1 million per week.
I'm big. I'm still on joke. And I'm trying. Would you come back just now?
I'm gonna say.
We are don't come back till they for can talk about things when they happen. Are we on sweet salon? I know we let we let for do them bad things them. When they feel a more salon, I know we are Famul. Mina Ali UCC. Mina Usman Justin. This na you yard. Once say plenty thank you. So the one that will subscribe to the channel. And we don't like, comment, and share with video. And we want to say plenty thank you. So una will get the patience for go na YouTube, WhatsApp, Facebook. Click with video them. Burn una credit for support we watch with video them. Who tell una plenty thank you. If you just to join me today, we want to say do ya. Press the subscribe button and then you press the notification bell. So anytime we post a video, you will be amongst the first people then we go get with video then.
Yes, subscribe. You always dey watch we program them, but you not subscribe yet to the channel. All wetin you get for do, press this red subscribe button and then you come over here and press this bell. To the bell option, press this one with all. It don't done. It no get for cost you anything. When you do this, na sign for show say you dey support we for make we do more. Thank you for we don help we for share this program. Yeah, God bless you.
I say, I still enjoy.
I know you for enjoy.
Yeah, welcome back. I beg you, not blame you. Now the thing they happen. My name na Ali UCC.
And me na Usman Justin.
Oh, Justin. Pow, waiting.
Power government and salon.
Now waiting they happen. No.
Since we don't take power, every day keeps the go from back to worse. We're not gonna die. Now the pack can go. We're not gonna side.
Okay. Now, but good things they don't happen. We get good things. You know the issue of the nurses them and see. Then we promise them 1 million euros every week. Not to nurse them no more. Frontline healthcare workers them.
Not even use the word promise. They're supposed to forgive them because they work for them and they risk their life.
Yeah, then we don't sign memorandum of understanding. Documents say then they give them every week. But something happen. Minus 800,000. No,
We must go on quick.
Talk
No. We don't go to that date. We don't go to that
Why?
date. I beg. Other people and they will get serious work for them. One lady don't complain but they work where they do.
But wait. Before they jump to the lady, why make you begin for the 1 million? Though you say left for us, you jump to the lady. Why you left for cover things then?
That talk is really big. I don't come back out, but do a big. Una wait small. Like just give una other things the way they happen inside we are there.
Okay. Family do now wait. Slow get a chance. Tell me what it is.
This lady, this. It don't talk about in work where they do. How the work done difficult right now, especially where Coco order the right now. Everybody work important as long as that day you get, you know the thief forget you daily bread, important. Una not feel bad though, say we dey try for waiting. Any idea. Nothing all they work do, now they work, now they get in hand to mouth. Ladies and gentlemen, please, una listen to this young lady. It don't tell me this video come out to, but we think so we for counter now. Because some people will begin say, hey boy, it don't pass 2 weeks, yes or no, it don't pass 2-3 weeks, no matter. Let's just listen the message we get here. Let me see if it make any sense. The young lady, we dey listen.
The brother them is family at this alone country. We're not glad what they happen at this country now. Because mother, you they take we Alex say you been they keep again. You know they afraid for a family now. If you go say who they scholar there, how would they survive when they give in a country? Mother they supply.
What's the best scholar?
Regal. If we don't regal then at least the honest town I will block. Honest town I will block 9 o'clock. All my for the sign day. Mother in it feed me give nothing. I will go manage me. So we now the way talk. So we the regal. We know they give. We know they never support that. Honest time they come and go regal. Police hold me now. I ready for 4 come back. It didn't matter the way they do this talk. I mean, that flash they no more give me. When mistake, they no pull tail. If you not say they do not this country, matter I get for pull tail. We the regal we ready for quarter for you. I hope they quarter for you now. Now they go to any outside one. So now that they no more me get for you. If you ask you go police.
Woman, present the free woman. Present.
Well, I get easy all they talk about this business. This is a very important business for certain people, Elementi. You know that they talk. But not make like for say you don't understand. You know the reggae. You hear it say, baby say, you get for kick the reggae. No.
Me, I just throw a support to the lady. You know, anybody in office now, in office. And we for respect any Sierra Leonean in own office, we get for respect them. As we all hear, the lady say na in office this, now they survive. And then if they don't log game pan and so, how then they able survive? So Papa now the one that so you really need to tell you Mac P them for sure understanding.
Can't take it for kick the reggae.
Maybe say if Papa pull tail, then they cut out.
Anyway, hey, in the Apuno.
I know.
The last time we talk now, so say they want to give journalists them subvention, that money every year, and they as well want for build for them ultra modern building. And then they say we know they ask for favor, but the ball in our court. Remember that reggae there? Remember the reggae?
I tell you.
But wait, so you remember the public 1965 Public Order Act, where Part 5 they criminalize the work of certain things the way journalists or other people and go write. It go turn criminal law, and because of that one day, campaign election president out done they come and promise say they go try for pull land because it's not necessary at all. Former caretaker Ernest Baikoma come, he do the promise, he fail, born. Now caretaker Mother Bill come, now so sit down back. Now what happen? Now gladly. Yeah, caretaker.
But I can tell you can gladly all two kind.
No, they do good. I'm not done it.
I can tell you.
Listen here. Now I say, I committed to this. I will do. I'm waiting. In fact, we'll kick reggae fast. Let the thing go inside Parliament and then pass on. Then pull and straight off. Come on, the book. All man, glad the journalists them all man and then to line inside December. December last year, 2019. Now they were all journalists there, civil society, all man glady, then go inside. And then go sit down for the business. After they sit down for the business, any government of the leader of government business by then, when Honorable Sidi Tunis. Now he say in get issue. Ladies and gentlemen, let us look inside the issue begin.
This is a bill that is so important to the people of this country, that borders on the security of our people. As such, this Honorable House will want to ensure that all the safety gears are put in place before we can proceed with it. And such safety gears include that of amending the IMC Act to ensure that the security of the people, the safety of the people are adequately taken care of before we can proceed with this. Mr. Speaker, Honorable Member, we'll just leave it. We'll just leave it as it is. They have done the first reading. Once we are satisfied as Parliament that in fact we have received the amended version of the IMC Act, where we'll have all the safety gears in place to protect the people of the church.
So you hear everything in talk. They say, let am as it is. Let's leave it as it is. Justin, from December, when they say let's leave it as it is. Now there the ghost kind sign. That document don't sit down at the shelf, I don't get dust. Go on. Guess what happen? Now these guys over there talk so just now, see the Tunis. They don't pull as government leader of government business. Now waiting happen, I make out other one.
Now the ball this way they play. Well, and see if you don't say, make we leave it as it is. Now, other one don't come, we can use SO59 for route and commodity because in order their own interest. Now we listen.
It was due to parliamentary proceedings, section 59, SO 59 of the standing orders. Tells us that if you have a bill that lapses for over 3 months or a session is finished, you have to review it again. Otherwise, you have to have a consensus in the chamber for you to look at the document again. That doesn't mean we are just throwing it away. No, we are really basically observing the procedures in Parliament. The bill will come again because, from that time to now, it has lapsed over 4 or 5 months. So we are going to start all over again. The minister will come and start with the normal process to have a bill. We want to sanitize the whole document.
Not to the Ministry of Information, the responsibility for craft law. You know, say the law officers department then say get their own that in them for do. But finally, I'm pretty confident we will get that bill ready. We will table the bill once we all okay with the safeguards there. One thing we clear on the fact say government in commitment for repeal the criminal libel law, not to deal with the compromise. So we don't get problem with that. We will relaunch them. Just how we wish it had not happened this way. So we just continue the process.
Well, from down there, you're waiting the minister himself say, the minister say, then will try for make them work with them. And in usual words say, then get the law officers department get important or pressing things them when they address right now. Waiting that they mean in simple word for this particular document.
Not actually meaning, important.
And not in their interest. Remember, if they pull this, then the friends say the journalists then will get more power for do more work and they're not going to charge them like criminal, any other thing. Alright, let me go before. Inside the same parliament here, it will interest you for no say, then they can go build them, na parliament the same day. Then they pass them back the same day.
Yes, because them build them they not in favor. So then they act fast for let something happen. They are all not in their own favor. Then they keep them at the end of the day, then pull and come on the back and go keep outside and get for keep them. So you don't get for doubt.
If you say that you want to get concerned, let me listen quick here to waiting Honorable Ibrahim Ben Kagbo, when are the deputy, opposition leader in a parliament for APC being talked. And after that, you get the deputy speaker where himself being replied to Honorable Ibrahim Ben Kagbo. Let me listen to this conversation quick when they come back just now.
Mr. Speaker, I would want us to go by your new thinking that we should maintain the whole concept of best practice here. When you lay a paper, you give us time for it to mature. so that people can even look at it in greater detail, so that when we come to debate it, we debate that document from the position of strength and knowledge. So, Mr. Speaker, I just want you to know that this method of bringing documents today, you lay them, and in the next 30 minutes you debate it to make it into law, cannot be the best way of promoting efficient legislation, Mr. Speaker.
I want to take this opportunity to inform the whole House that whatever our leader on the other side is saying is perfectly correct. As a matter of fact, we must, as a parliament, be very, very careful in the way we do things here. We can't bring a document today, and after a few minutes, we proceed to ratify that particular document. Because let's not forget that we have the public there looking at us as members of parliament who make their laws, who make their policies. They are there. These are the issues they normally take against us. It's only that at this particular point, I want to plead with my leader there to accept the status quo, because these are not normal times, Mr. Speaker. Because even after today, Mr. Speaker, we want to go for a couple of weeks after today. We will not want a situation where we'll have to come back only to ratify one single document.
Well, until now, the Deputy Speaker say, now it urge people and say, because they get for go on holidays, so they don't go and let them go the holiday, they get for go enjoy themselves and their family, then Parliament call them back for can do something for the nation. So that's not important.
They call them back for one green document.
For one green document, as he explained. So meaning the affairs of the country not important past the holiday. Where they get for go. The holiday now don't they important past the issues of the day where they happen at the country where they foresee don't address.
Then people are not really take with any, they didn't treat with any seriousness. It means that because of the holiday, they can just rush and do any other thing. And this particular thing, when at the seditious libel, the Public Order Act, is very important because all they get for do the journalists, even the newspaper people where they sell newspaper, they vendor them. Even you yourself, if they sketch newspaper that you earn, where person don't write something, when they call a criminal something, you know, where they slander somebody in character, it means that you self capable for let they arrest you. It means that they for arrest yourself, and then the law taking cause. You see, so for them that is not important because they're not going tomorrow. Like waiting they happen. So right now we are where if you talk, then they put you in a tight place. So they want for the use all of them things they are so for them not important. And I think say the government they just they flash people in. The leader of government business now like it between the government and the parliament. They in charge of anything they get for do with government business. So in by no way not the way that they will go against what the president wants. It's not possible. Now the president na send and go there.
Na collaboration.
Yeah, na in agree for let go there. So now they all sit down and make. But I dey wonder why it's large of all not they see the handwriting at the wall. Now the wall. I wonder why they need to see the handwriting at the wall. Because if this went at the law, they're not able for pass. I don't take 5 months. They still they make them dabao business. That building, bruh, waiting they happen. It will happen.
Not dream myself.
Slash, I expect much from you follow and see, but sometimes in the I know say sometimes in the money self they blind somebody here and not able for
understand. Impossible.
But they want less large, you do waiting they want. Right, fine about them and all things. I mean, not to just
now,
the journalists.
Now that bring the promise. Look at the end of the statement. Say
the ball dinner.
The ball dinner you caught.
Well, I don't know how to. Don't know how to.
Well, famule rumor be they go around say the health workers them want strike because they not pay the 8-week allowance. But you not tap the Minister of Information Mikana 98.1 we can't talk to we make we listen now.
At this point, I'm not going to confirm or deny this because way I say, His Excellency been known announced quite a range of things there what they do for healthcare workers, risk allowance, an insurance scheme, and a whole lot of packages for show appreciation for the frontline healthcare workers there. So. I also aware I say they may not begin pay some of their allowances there across the spectrum. It's possible say they're not going to reach all sides, but I know say payment has been ongoing, and so this one come as a surprise. But I go need to get my facts and why is I sit down there.
Mr. Minister, the fight against this COVID now one way very challenging particular to healthcare workman them. If this happen for be true, what's in this they tell you?
Yeah, so what thing will be true? Now the fact say they not on reach some side. What say I know say not go ever be true? Now the fact say they have been neglected, they have been abandoned, they have been marginalized. That one is not going to be true. What say if anything will go be true? Now the fact say then they pay their allowances and right now they not on reach some segments it. Because this government definitely value and prize the efforts of frontline workers, particularly in this fight. Una member say President Bill said have been Sujaman during the war. They clearly understand what being in the front line mean. This now a situation where they put itself forward.
He puts as responsible people, they not necessarily mean say now for come lead them. People in the way they are in position in the way by now. I don't think say we for the talk about payments.
Not to that at the talk. Not to that at the talk. You know, leadership is cause. All others are effect. The president don't put in place committed people there. We can always have problems. Well, everything everywhere gets problems there. But the will for make sure so surmount them problems and then are important. In this case, forget the money now been the difficulty. The money there, they not allocate them. The process don't begin. But at the same time, I know say government in any circumstance, no one for sacrifice, transparency, and accountability on the altar of expediency. So this payment they go on, I sure say then go expedite and for make sure say people then get the allowances and timeously or whatever would do that.
How this come as a surprise to you? We know for 1 week then people they protest according to the information we get because it don't do for over a lapse of 8 weeks. 9 days then they can protest for we they not get the allowance we then they supposed for they get weekly.
Well, I know say payments they don't begin. I used to say if you find out that you go no say payments they go on right now.
Now the lab tech they don't get.
It's possible say they not on reach.
We don't overlap. We then say been strike for make them don't get.
It's possible say definitely payment not go don't reach the people then we agree where they go on this strike like Ona say. I don't get all the facts, but the thing that we are sure about now the facts say at no point have they been neglected. This government cannot, in any circumstance, attempt to marginalize them. Like I said, the president said they don't fight another war. I mean, they're in the front line. They clearly know what's being in the front line of a response mean. Now, life and death business. So they treat out all seriousness. When I find out somewhere they go talk the state opening of parliament in this year, one of the first set of people that we prioritize and single out are the healthcare workers there. For the sacrifice, the commitment. Well, he's always known for a man with the match words with action.
So why 8 weeks they don't do without the allowance we don't forget weekly?
Well, this is your word versus the fact. At the say something, they not don't pay the last person it, but I'll tell you say payment they own.
For the past 8 weeks, they not get the weekly allowance we don't supposed for they get.
Well, I know say allowance payments and they go on of some form of allowances until they not don't pay the last person it. People then they would not go down reach it. So that could be the basis of this one that they talk about. But I can assure when I say government they do everything with power for make sure they will pay everybody. This is well-deserved money. This is well-earned money. I will appreciate the role of the frontline workers there. Everything what they do for keep this country safe. When they take the bullets on behalf of the rest of we can only pay them so much.
Yeah, and Toko. But I want to say thank you first to Mabel and Asma, especially Mabel with Quissam. You know, but this now one of the ministers then they will not take the people with any serious thing. They not take them for serious at all. You as a whole minister of information, anytime when you go on media, you for well prepared. Every time, not to the first time this, when they ask them concerning the health document they ask, so they tell me say, and not aware of that day, and not get all the facts them. Who's kind minister of information will you be for God's sake?
Maybe people one thing about this minister first. He gets some quality the way he gets the normal. One, always when they come to media for talk to the people of Sierra Leone, they lie with style. Two, he always a kind of media for can papi show, for can paint the president. I don't know if he take and say another one they do for me the president say they do a work or another one they do for me the president say elect him.
This now one of the people we don't want for see the president for succeed.
Of course.
Because if every day you lie, you make the president self feel everything is okay. Long no waste with time. Okay, he talks certain things the large of me and come to now notice here. He say they value the health workers them. How? I just say I tell you now, may una answer and don't for win at the comment section. It's same way so say President Bio be not there at the front line, so you know what happened.
When I tell you about the Papi show, it doesn't concern nobody in about President Bio in First World War, not to Indian at the table. Address the issue of the people, them allowance. We don't want to know if President Bio be done there. And he said they pay. The front line will be there, they pay for that.
He talk say the money day.
But where?
Let me ask. Is it enough for say the way then they neglect them?
Already they don't neglect them.
Oh, okay. Then he say them put them at the center of everything. Maybe they don't begin pay some them sometimes. Now the last set of people and they don't.
Somebody will put at the center. Why the payment they ration like this? Where you pay the wire today, tomorrow you don't pay the wire. But we understand say now bank then they pay them people there.
Because they say that they verify them and their accounts and get for Senam. But wait to when it come to that day, because the tell for say the reggae, whether baby talk just now. That scholar, the reggae way they talk about, it's like say, now they play at this thing. There, this man and all always with time. While the deputy minister of foreign affairs, but now the spokesperson for the AOC. The emergency coronavirus response center. Let me listen. What did INSEF get for say concerning this one?
Instruct that those payments should go on, and if they need for they do verification of or put this process on hold. The Ministry of Health don't come up with a schedule of payment. A lot of that payment they forgo on a western area, urban and rural. The money, deal with we specifically who for disburse. Say an account has been created. We see to the Bank of Sierra Leone. That account then we can access them, but you also get other partners then. We're also very much interested in that. So now collaboration therefore take place. But I think so we need for coordinate more, because then delay in payment they show say you get some issues with coordination.
Now this keep on I can always tell you. I see that people when they have big full people now English now they take then they catch per waiting and they talk for disturb people collaboration, interest, this, that. Waiting una really mean. We not able to understand. For them,
I think they really get problem, coordination, collaboration problem. They're not able for know what's not the role of this, what's not the role of this, what's not the role of this. Now this information minister they can't do back na radio. They talk to people like big fully they talk to. Low level. After hours, where that information minister be don't talk, the people and they still they protest. Then I will listen to themselves why they still they protest and what they protest for.
No payment, no work. 2 months now, 2 months now, we want halting.
If you don't pay, we need to work. We want to money. Let go backlog all 2 months, April and May.
Including backlog, April, May.
Contact Kesha, they want their money.
Yes, no work.
As you see the atmosphere, they don't tell you exactly what they go on. And honestly, if the authorities do not take this thing serious, it would affect the response. Because as we talk, we don't get a lot of calls now free to quarantines, to people who don't discharge, to cases isolation unit, they want to go free for, but we'll not go do it now because of the kind of thing that they happen. Now 8 weeks. And don't forget, say, according to the government memorandum of understanding with all health workers, that now 1 million per week for technical staff. No, technical staff now 500, that is drivers and cleaners. We know they expect no other thing other than that arrangement. So now that's not the situation.
Of course, we are one of the frontline and workers toward this COVID-19. Of course, we are surveillance officers and some of we are CHOs and some of we are medical doctors and so get different sets of people in. But we are the surveillance officers and whether into this COVID. Where we don't start this fight as from the 31st of March, we'll get corona this country, we don't scatter. So up to now we're into them. And of course, as we see a cross section of Wina also, we don't decide say we need to work. Because as we can see, because of we left the country, from the time where they announced we don't get corona, we don't work now for fight this particular say COVID-19. As of to now, we don't take 2 months, we don't get a kobo, we don't get nothing. Some of we all going to feel, now we use we own personal chop up for call people and for investigate. Because we're going to feel, you must call. Who say they, somehow they don't go to a treatment, go for investigator, and then we chop up. Even it's a vehicle, we get vehicle constraints. Of course, we own clusters. I will get. We can give you 3 vehicles. We have 4 zones, including the cluster supervisor, make 5. And give it 3 vehicles. So we get vehicle constraints. And this time in the season. And we all on decide say if we not get to money, as from April to now, we need to work. We sit down, we need to respond to no alert, no nothing, we sit down. Until we get all we money. Because it really disheartening, easy. Some people they pay transport for Canada, like EOC, Kleintown, every day for country alert. Every day, really disheartening, easy. According to the memo where government signed with representatives then, were inclusive, the nurses, the CHOs, pharmacies board and other sectors, frontline workers were not technical people then, inclusive, we were in a treatment, surveillance officer, quarantine for getting $1 million loans. Then non-technical, we are driver cleaners, 500 and that them say. So we expect to get 1 million for a week. So up to now, nothing of that to not receive. The verification, yes, I get an idea. Of course, we coordinator with Miss Miata French. Call me that was last week. Few of we come, we just watch at the list of verify for say whether we name them there from the list where they get from EOC. So we come, some of we come, we verify, even look for some people and we check that list. But so now we not talk to, we know nothing. So we self don't decide, let this message go. If we not get we money, inclusive April and May, you know they get your money. And this is the response, not just make this addition, this is the response this. You know what tell well, why you don't work on government say every week. But why they for keep your money 2-3 weeks? You know call for. As week don't make you get your money because some will come in our treatment center and lady. Some don't die. So like me, if I die, that money don't go in vain. And they get again. So it's like make you get your money every week.
It is strike because reason being from since April 1 we'll start this work. So we start with an so today we're not June 1. When people have we don't say, the government we don't say, let be specify say it pay we risk allowance per week. But since that time to this hour, it's not 2 good months now, which is 8 weeks. Nobody able to talk to me, nobody able to give me 1 cent. Well, we still appeal, even don't have the right, but we still appeal to government say this is a hazard money. You never know. You go down and feel something happen to you. What you go depend on say tomorrow, then we consider me picking or then we consider me mama or me brother or me wife or me mom. So we appeal to them say, let them pay this money. What they're supposed to pay with.
No payment, no work. 2 months now, we want all thing.
If you don't pay, we need to work. We want to money. Let go backlog all 2 more April and May.
No payment. Backlog.
Now waiting they happen no.
Since then take power, everything just they go from bad to worst. Well, the people as we all don't hear, the people always stand front for fight the COVID-19 where Israeli government say we get inside Mama Salon. Now this then talk, but then you strike when they strike. But inside there, then talk things them were very important to get high interest over.
Yes, I listen.
One, parent things here.
Before you talk. And normally you can talk here because as Sabi una den tolumbo them. Now so propaganda business man.
No, we dey talk. What's not the truth? We dey talk. Tolumbo come back tomorrow. We dey talk. Let them call you other name. Not a problem. You know, one parent things here. Then people are they buy top up for themselves. But money there for COVID-19. Plenty we don't carry inside.
Yes,
2, we understand say they don't buy vehicles them. Where for can help people for fight COVID-19 na salon. But still, them people are grumble say they not get vehicles them for go around and now na rain season.
You get mind though? You want for let we take them to car and they we give them workman and they for
yes, of course. It don't mean how the motorcar value. Now the work where the motorcar come for, then for make the motorcar they do.
No, not for them one and they only gonna feel now for.
And then we think back say the motorcar are not come for can get una where they sit down inside office, they see the banguna. Don't let people that where they front for fight this fight, then they go and suffer inside this rain season.
Wait, you form You think say we were in the office where they buy them with card and for we salary like me where they pay me salary and they pay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 or more people them allowance every month and the allowance them when the salary when they pay them every month EOC and all government any pass per month every month in the camp 25, 29 dead don't come.
But me I always don't tell you say Salon, when they say something happen, you when they send at the field say go do this, right? With that man when they left now in office, now in the enjoy pass we they go rescue life, not to that one day more. The other thing when the people then talk, when the minister self can't talk to we say, una work no more in case person die self, then they pay you person, then they pay you picking, or then they pay you mama or papa.
Yeah, so simply they tell you say go die no more, die no more.
Die no more, you they pay in mama or in picking. The person they alive, if they work, you not able to pay them, you they owe them, you they suffer and credits no they motoka no they. Right? Now they tell when he don't die, this government they able to pay them people.
No, we they pay in picking, if na picking get. Say again, first degree, we they pay for them free.
But how possible and how guarantee say that one day they happen when the parents when they alive first they work, we are not able to pay them?
Well, we not go say we not able to pay them. Now just that not to honor we don't pay it. So they pay them.
So why not they decide for all of them people? Yeah, they're supposed to get their money to time. Now their life they risk.
When you say all up so, they are big. Until they are things okay, let me listen quick. The strike been they continue. Say at one point, and then say, okay, logo pay them. Now call them all come together. Now we'll say we can't pay now. Let me listen how the pay the end. AYV, now I mean put these reports together.
This is our country. Now all the talk, now money, now the various offices. Tell the medical students, please. Now we don't tell them. We know they don't want the money. Let them take the money.
Having waited for hours in expectation of their 2 month incentives, over 200 COVID-19 frontline workers in the western area, rural and urban, belonging to the surveillance pillar, have been left frustrated again. These workers claim that they are to be paid the sum of 1 million leones per week, but we are surprised to be told that it has been cut down to 200,000 leones, a situation that left them with no option but to reject the payment.
Then call we. Initially, we don't submit with BBAN number and repayment requirement to them. So they call with you and say that they can't do table payment because of 1 or 2 errors with the notice. So we come since this morning, we wait for the finance team for can pay. We don't they ask this morning, that this noon they come. When they come, they say that they can commence payment, we make line. We make this line now to be greater surprise that then tell we say now 200,000 they can pay me. Where the initial agreement will be 1 million per week. Later on, they say they will cut them down to 500,000 per week. Will not be really go down well with me, because imagine the level of risks for the risks we live. Imagine me as a contact tracer supervisor. We go at the contact the house. We go there. We monitor them for 14 days. We go there every blessed. Imagine we risks. Imagine with family, we go to family in our house. After we don't weeks with life, we go back to picking in our house, we go back to family, we husband and back in our house. So when I say they pay 200,000, we really feel sad, we really feel disappointed. So based on that, we all agree so we're not going to take the money. But being that we still don't take the money, we go decide we go still work. We work for the country. We work, but when the government not say they work how they work, we not work with happy mind. We work with a heavy heart. We work because of we are health workers. We work because of we don't decide for work for the country. But for me, I can pay with 200,000 with the 100% amount of risks what they face in there. It's too bad. It's too sad.
These guys are not honest with me. They're not honest to this nation. You know, they're not truthfully fine. If initially they say they're not getting nothing, we will go work because we're a health worker. We don't decide for be a health worker. We do it for dinner the health sector for helping people their life. But if they don't say that they pay we, they for pay we. For you say the provision tax Monday for people, if they say they know the pay, okay, we don't go back. Don't go back. We say we go about we continue still for work. I don't want me company don't say because on our health worker there we don't be done. We don't take code say we go work for this country. We go take code say we go help with people their life. I mean, where we be naturally. So now that's the thing. Now that make all vex today, and people have to be frank, my brother. They not treat with fear. They're not honest to themselves. They're not honest to this country. Because in actual fact, you know they go sit down at table, we make agreement with somebody. All of a sudden, they turn her down as if the money not there. Okay, we don't know say money there. If the money not there, no problem. But if the money there, they for pay we. So
these frustrated frontline workers promise to continue their service to the nation, but however call on the government to immediately look into their issue for an amicable solution. Efforts to get the side of the EOC has so far been abortive, but spokesman Solomon Jamiru earlier told AYV that government has done all it could to effect payments. Swale Hovandi, AYV News, Freetown.
Mr. Vandy, thank you, sir, for that report. Very sweet and accurate. The government not going to talk when they try for each other. They're not going to talk. Then this song is so, truth will reveal her things that are evil, all the things that are hiding. Lord, listen this quick, yeah? When they come back.
How you get for pay somebody 1 million, and now in account is supposed for pay. Now you call her for can receive this money in a table, 1 million turned to 200,000.
These people, they're not honest. They don't kill we. Hey, yeah.
You know, Aliu, let me just show this before we go further. When people like him come up for strike because of their rights, they put up on politics. At the end of the day, whose statements when they come up, now terrorists them. But there's same people how they call people and terrorists because people that they stand up for their rights, then they rob people in broad daylight.
No. They're not thief, they're not the rob, but them.
How you call them?
Beast of the nation. I talk something, you laugh.
And the powerful part of it, for anything where they say not happen, now they tell the Minister of Information they can't sit down on media, begin to give it quality lie there because they lie with quality back because they enjoy himself. Always when they can on media for can lie, they enjoy himself. But now one request I want make to
Go to go school before you make a request to me. Get this course or the course. You blokes, you stones, you what than senseless animal. I don't know.
Anyway, until now we don't find out, say we don't get a new ministry when a chief minister, he gets a whole office, he gets a whole role where he play. So waiting the Minister of Information, he always display to me. I believe say that for create another ministry of bunch of lies. Ministry of bunch of lies. Because this guy for anything we can talk to me, now he don't get to find his dates, now he don't this, but he don't get to find his dates. Always in the kind of media, you can't give it lie, you lie with dignity. So I really want make we Papa able create this ministry of bunch of lies. So things no, they will not they doubt again. If that person they can't talk to, they can't talk.
Justin Blow.
No.
CID day.
No request.
You say Ministry of Bunch of Life, yeah. CID day. They will say this not incitement. They will say you not terrorists. They will say you undermine the government. They will say you are overthrown the government.
Terrorists. They rob people in broad daylight. Supposed to give somebody 1 million. You call on a table, you go get 200,000. Now robbery, man.
Just
no, it's serious.
The Ministry of Finance been pulled word. Say they don't pay. Over 8,000 healthcare workers then the allowance for the month of April and May. So I wonder, do you are big? Ladies and gentlemen, I want to watch this thing where they can display. Let us see how much they say they don't pay and waiting they happen. Now big. I want to watch this. We put some Leonard self take on time and read them. Because I never understand. Watch waiting and waiting, the government say they don't pay. They don't pay over 8 billion, over 8 billion loans, you know, so the monthly, you know, salary and allowance, you know, where they get for paying, where it gets for do, where include the 1 million loans. They say they don't pay into their account. On earth, why them go pay now money in hand? Wait, how they call them? Paymaster don't come. Why? Why they bring Paymaster don't come back? When we not be known used to Paymaster again. Waiting pay na table.
Because they get for cut enjoying.
They said you to something. But all the mocks where they don't make, we the pay, we the verify. Now na account on the pay, we the pay this money. What's in this?
The bank then lock. Now I make a table for campaign.
Oh yeah, coronavirus. Bank then
the bank they all lock. Can you imagine? Them people they play with people their intelligence.
Justin, me I don't understand what they happen.
You don't understand? You don't listen to the music. When they expect the music tell you. Power government and salon. Now waiting they happen. No. Since when I take power, everything just go from back to worse. Hey, una go kill you. Now the back can go na salon. Una go. Oh, salon we had.
Me, I wonder this thing, the money where they talk. We done this, we done. I've been glad you want to see this. Oh my God, I jubilate. I say then don't try government.
You always
government,
there for jubilate.
Because they deceive we.
They know me, not listen to the music. What the music tell you say?
Hey,
power government and salon. Yeah, now wait till they happen. No. Since una take power, every day does they go from bad to worse. Yeah. Una no go kill we yo. Now una the park and go na salon. Una no go kill we yo. Now una go back and go. Now una get game. But all that the man of for talk. Wait up and send you down my back. So we are done there.
So what do we for believe now? Una they talk this today. Then una know they don't do one. Una make them they expose una unnecessary. This not just like when you want to fit a big person in this. Person will get boku talk. He go always defend himself in a position where they molest her. You don't notice that, eh? Because even thing when you able to do, okay, let's say you able to do them. Una say for God's sake, this done day. Okay, this money what they say, what's I do now?
You know the style where they enjoy for man there. Charlie, this are need for what take word from Ghana. Charlie, una not afraid for so. Bosu, una for the take and the idea. You man there when they come, you know, from up to down. Like he sets mic there, she don't show. Then they can't talk bomb talk there. At the end of the day, I don't tell you the last thing say. There people here they talk, but the implementation is very poor. They don't implement.
Now make we sack una. Now una when are the power way they inside the system. Now una no one give you chance that we implement.
Power again. Say today.
No.
Una they play power.
Tolombo. I'm your mistake. Yes. No, that's the God.
They go say power. Excuse me.
They try for manipulate certain things there. Let them see we government like we know they do.
But 2 years, some months now, now still they and blame Tolombo. Tolombo don't come out of the picture now.
Yes, because now them are the propagandists. Now they no one for give chance. Now they always no one for accept.
But for this amount of people, oh, now don't root, not to even sack. Oh, now don't root now offices them. How many percent of Tolombo you feel say they're still there? Why they label yourself? Why? How many percent of Tolombo you feel say they still they work now public offices them?
Wait, 1, 2. They did a big position, but when we defend for them, we give them mob justice.
Man, love face reality.
We must give them mob justice. They don't want to tell thank you to President Bion. They don't want to tell thank you.
Now, so number for tell thank you.
Yes.
Even if they cry, say for the cry where they cry, they tell thank you. Now, so number for tell thank you.
Who like the cry? Everybody appreciate
you. You wake up in the morning with plenty tears now your eyes. Do you gap and tell thank you?
Now, what than this one I can talk? Everybody appreciate we. We do well. Food then at the table. We don't come with over 20 tons of rest for people there for eat. We pay them. You know, who's them we call Ebola?
They pay people, they steal people and they come out, they demonstrate for their salaries.
Look this them again. Then Tolombo they can't talk say we pay them 200,000 out of 1 million. Now 1 million, you not see where the money be boku?
And then the concern when we get towards them people here, where they come up, when the health workers them, they talk about their money. With a big una, because of sabi una. For me, a fact somebody rise up for talk about your right, una they mark them, prepare their face for sack them tomorrow. Mind you,
you see what AYV do?
We eyes them open.
AYV then do professional job because they no say now when you talk, then the K gonna bamba kayaka. Then go marginalize you in the office or the hospital where you work. So what they do? Then do close shot of chin, close shot of just the eye and all. Hi, thank you. But the ISF people there, no, if the technology.
Upon all that, I will tell you.
Okay, amongst the NSF will be the protest.
Amongst them, they can then label one them say, now this now them been talk now this there even face no show ordinary voice. Then people are they want for routine a certain office. Then they go after you and ask them, no mind how much them pay for find out about you. Instead of use that money for pay salaries, then they use them for find out about person. Watch the one puller. Do ya? Then people they now they write them talk bots. Now they go risk their life. Front people them do all kind of thing for find out about coronavirus na salon. Make una not sack them because they come up and talk about the salary with a beg una. Let it stop and let it stop.
Now so the reggae on the now.
But now so the reggae they play.
Hey, we country alone. Now waiting they happen so.
You not know?
Nobody no one fun no.
You go late for no.
All man just take you.
You go late for no. You go really late for no.
Yeah. This reggae, look pull up a reggae, look they croco, they catch bad.
You man na Calypso that they play. Na a Calypso game.
I like one press statement where the Medical and Dental Association and pull. Then say the government just they say that they pay erratically. I like that word erratically. It means say then they pay like them crazy. They pay our set of people then they left the other set of people then they feel disappointed. Not only talk, no watch am here. They feel disappointed with the way how the government erratically pay some set of hey, power government.
They use big terms and say the terms and they go for the back.
As then they give them while you play them 419 bang and bang. The health workers them they do a very good job. Ladies and gentlemen, awale you can feel more sorry for the health workman they are. Let we listen to Dr. Rashida Kamara. We talk about how then they go about their work and how then they risk their life, risk their family life, and even at some point they live in a lonely house, empty house. Ladies and gentlemen, let me watch and listen to what Dr. Rashida they say.
Hello viewers, I am Dr. Rashida Tufuat Kamara, a Sierra Leonean. I am a clinician with background in infectious diseases and tropical medicine. I am making this video with the Academy of Medical Sciences. I am here to actually talk about life generally in a disease outbreak and responding to disease outbreak as a clinician. When we had the Ebola epidemic in 2014, I was among the first responders. And I had to man a facility of 100 bed capacity. It was a very tough period and it is disheartening to see after all your efforts, your patients losing their lives. But one thing that I'll clearly state here is that I worked with Dr. Timo Dempsey and I learned something very valuable from him. And that was, whatever it is, maintain human dignity. In simple words, behind clinical medicine, there is humanity. Well, basically, what happens is that when you are actively involved in managing infectious disease cases, you have to think about your friends, your family, and to keep them safe, you have to undergo so much. For instance, For me, I stay alone. I don't have anyone at home when you go home because you have to be very cautious. And that is very depressing, you know, going home to an empty house. When we had the Ebola epidemic, I saw a lot of situations where, like, for instance, a family of 22, all of them died except for 2. So you go home with those images in your head, and you have to go through them alone. Probably you'll have your support system. For me, it's my husband, my mom, my younger sister, and colleagues at work. They'll help you. But then there is no form of like a formal psychosocial support, no. And now with coronavirus, you know, the disease spectrum is from like mild to moderate to severe to critical. And then within a twinkle of an eye, you'll see your patient deteriorating. And maybe you left your patient stable, and the following morning, you come in, the patient is gone, or the patient is in a critical state. It is really tough to manage these cases, and let me say this, it's like removing your heart from thorns. And then you have to think about yourself again, your safety. In Africa, with inadequate PPE, the ICU is not that equipped, so it's actually a tough call. But however, we're doing all we can, and I think this is the time for us to implement and aggressively implement public health measures like hand hygiene, cough etiquette, stay at home. These are things that we have to put in place. And people must know that we are out there trying to save their lives, and they should be helping themselves too. They are helping themselves and they are helping us. And again, to my colleagues out there, there's only one thing I'll have to say at this point. In as much as we are trying to save lives, we have to protect ourselves. I implore you all, while saving lives, please stay safe. This is time to build a support network. I wish you all the best, and I hope we can have adequate measures to protect ourselves.
Well, so basically, they do all them things there, but still, the government not gets sign of appreciation when they do to them. Instead of that, the Minister of Information always a show face na media. They can't tell you how BOB done in our front line. Where be say the front line will be the SSF, not to be free. Government they pay for the front line where they. Now this na it happen. Oh na you know more the sorrowful thing where this woman don't talk. So my people now this we get for una today. For anything where you self think over all this discussion, left in the comment section. So you don't help we for make we self know your point of view. Because for we when they talk, we really not say we don't mark who face them because now so we are done there now. CID. Because this we not just they do for this regime. Now a continuation. We go just surprised for see tomorrow government change. As long as they not do the right thing for we, the citizens them of Mama Salone, we still oppose them. So when they tell they okay, we don't know whose name they call you because right now, we not get a name they call you, and we know say we don't mark to face them. But we serve the balance for the way we not jam up na the highway, we not go send with them. Until we meet again, we stay blessed. Una the nurses there will tell una thank you for the good work as una say. Una not they do this again for the government. Una they do it because una na a patriot them. Una love the country. Una love the people them. Una they sacrifice. But mind you, some of the people them, some of the sister them, some of the wife them, na nurses them, they still do the cause. We still give them courage because some of the entire way they go on right now they don't discourage. But we still give them courage. Let them continue for do the cause and can the field for help life. Until we meet again, me na Usman Justin. Stay blessed and stay safe.
Where the man knows there now?
Where you go talk about them?
Is he the man must them? Una thank you. Well, me generally, I just want to say the healthcare workers, the frontline healthcare workers, in fact, not to just front care. The one that they grab the ambulance them. Please, una thank you. Everybody, una thank you. Yeah? My name is Ali. Say God bless you. God bless me. God bless Salon. And the one that already left comments for we appreciate you now. Tell una thank you. The one that already participate, like with video, watch them, appreciate them. We say we appreciate you now so much. God bless we all. Let God keep we all safe, yeah? Now waiting.
Power government.
Waiting happen again.
For more than take power. Things just they go from back to us.
Power government and salon. Now waiting they happen.
Since we not take power, every day just they go from back to work. Una no go. Una go back.
No, not so. Una no go there home. Now we just go back and go. Bye. Yes, subscribe. You always dey watch we program them, but you not subscribe yet to the channel. All wetin you get for do, press this red subscribe button, and then you come over here and press this bell. To the bell option, press this one with all. It don't done. It no get for cost you anything. When you do this, na sign for show say you dey support we for make we do more. For make we go able to grow fast and pass this number, all wetin you can do for help, come up outside this 3 dots there, you press there, then the first one you see na share, you press am. Then you go get option for share am na WhatsApp, Facebook, na your messenger or any other social media platform where you dey. So people them go come and join me na we channel. So more people go get to understand wetin dey happen inside salon and the kind work we dey do. Thank you for what you don help me for share this program. Yeah, God bless you.